Hello, welcome to English for Everyone. This is a sixth part in this series, so you can go back and watch the other ones if you haven't. And we're talking about uncountable nouns. So these nouns are all uncountable, so let's look at each word so you can avoid making common mistakes. Permission is non-countable. We don't say a permission or two permissions, only permission. And it's a special word because we don't say some permission, only permission. He doesn't have permission to leave school. Let's practice. Does he have permission to leave school?
No, he doesn't have permission to leave school.
Does he have permission to leave school? Very good. Research is not countable. We cannot say a research or two researches. You can say some research or only research. The children are doing research together. Do they need to do a lot of research?
Yes, they need to do a lot of research.
Do they need to do a lot of research? Very good. The word money is not countable. We cannot say a money or three monies. You can say some money or only money. I have some money in my pocket. Do you need some money for lunch?
Yes, I need some money for lunch.
How much money do you need?
I need a lot of money.
Do you need some money for lunch? How much money do you need? Very good. If you want to count money, it's okay, but we use dollars and cents. I have $5.54. Jewelry is not countable. We cannot say a jewelry or 3, 4, 5 jewelries. It's only jewelry or some. I have some jewelry in the bedroom. Do you want to buy some jewelry?
Yes, I want to buy some jewelry.
How much jewelry do you want to buy?
I want to buy a lot of jewelry.
Do you want to buy some jewelry? How much jewelry do you want to buy? Very good. If you want to count jewelry, we say a piece. A piece of jewelry. This is one expensive piece of jewelry. Traffic is not countable. We don't say a traffic or two traffics. Some traffic or a lot of traffic. There is a lot of traffic today. Was there any traffic today?
Yes, there was some traffic today.
What about yesterday?
Oh, there was a lot of traffic yesterday.
Was there any traffic today? What about yesterday? Was there a lot of traffic yesterday? Very good. If you want to count traffic, we say a traffic jam or two traffic jams. There was a traffic jam on the highway yesterday. Was there a traffic jam on the highway yesterday?
Yes, there was a traffic jam on the highway yesterday.
Was there a traffic jam on the highway yesterday? Very good. Trouble is not countable. We cannot say a trouble or two troubles, only trouble. You can say some trouble and a lot of trouble. He's having a lot of trouble with his computer. Is he having any trouble at work?
Yes, he's having some trouble at work.
What's wrong?
He's having a lot of trouble with his computer.
Is he having any trouble at work? What's wrong? Very good. Thank you for watching. This is part 6 in a series, so go back and watch the other parts so you can avoid making these common mistakes with non-countable nouns. Thanks for watching.